Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your website with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Wix account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free on the Wix website. Once logged in, select the website you want to upgrade from your dashboard. Click on the upgrade button located in the top right corner of the screen. You will see a list of upgrade options Wix offers. These typically include plans for business, e-commerce, and personal sites. Review the features included in each plan to determine which one suits your needs best. Once you've chosen a plan, click on the Select button. This will take you to the payment page. Enter your payment details and click Continue. After the payment is processed, your website will automatically upgrade. Next, explore the new features your plan provides. For instance, if you upgraded to an e-commerce plan, you'll gain access to online store tools. Set up your store by adding products and configuring payment methods. Enhancing your website's SEO can significantly improve its visibility online. Customize your site's design using Wix's drag-and-drop editor. You can adjust elements like fonts, colors, and images to better reflect your brand. Consider adding new sections or pages that complement your content. Finally, preview your upgraded website to see how everything looks. Once satisfied, publish your changes to make them live. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your website with Wix. Now you can take full advantage of the new features and tools at your disposal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.